If you want to become an AI-powered DevOps engineer, you have reached the right platform. Hello dosto, welcome to Train with Shubham and you are watching AI-powered DevOps Zero to Hero. This is a 3-month live interactive course where you will be learning DevOps engineering from scratch to advanced. And in this era of AI, agentic AI, you need the AI powered touch. Let me share more details about this program, but just to tell you, this program is open globally. Anyone who can speak English or who wants to learn DevOps can join this program because it's completely from scratch. Anyone who is a fresher, who is from QA, testing, support, software engineering, data engineering, and they want to move into DevOps engineering, this course is for you. Let's go into more details. The classes would be live. The duration would be 3 months. The course will be happening on Saturday and Sunday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, which is evening in the India time, which corresponds to 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, which is in USA. So anyone from this world can join. Either it would be morning or evening. Latest and up-to-date DevOps engineering curriculum. I will be sharing the curriculum as well, but you will be getting the latest and up-to-date DevOps engineering curriculum as per 2026. You will be getting 20 plus live sessions by me. So no one else will be teaching. I will be your only trainer. Again, as I said, I'll be using very simple and easy English so that anyone can understand. Weekly doubt clearing sessions would be there on Wednesdays. So if you have any doubts during weekends, in the weekends live classes, you can cover those doubts during the weekdays doubt clearing sessions. You will be getting 4 years of recording access. As soon as the live classes end, the recording will be shared to your LMS portal, where you can log in and watch all the recordings for the next 4 years. So even if you miss any session, you will be getting the recording for that. As a bonus, you will be getting job assistance, which means LinkedIn resume review, how to answer scenario-based questions, how to access job boards, daily job openings. You will be getting that. Plus, you will be getting Python for DevOps and Agentic AI for DevOps courses as well. Now, if this sounds interesting, you should definitely head towards TrainWithShubham.ai. You will see this page. Become an AI-powered DevOps engineer who ships to production. So the entire mindset is we start from scratch and we move towards production in 3 months. So there is no secret sauce saying that, okay, I can teach this in 4 hours or 2 days or 5 weeks. No, it at least takes 3 months to cover the basics, fundamentals, core and advanced concept. Let's see how. If you go and see the curriculum, you'll understand from code to production. From the introduction to DevOps, what is DevOps culture, what is life cycle, where is DevOps heading in 2026 towards 2030, everything we will be discussing. Then we will be starting Linux, shell scripting and Git, which are the fundamentals of any engineering course or any engineering mindset. Whenever you use operating system, you need Linux operating system. Whenever you have to write scripts, you can use shell scripts or Python. To store these scripts, you need Git and GitHub. So all these are covered inside this course. Now, networking and system design, everything related to networking, what all concepts you need, what all system design terminologies you need, everything is covered here. Then we will move to Docker and containerization. Docker is the industry standard for containerization tool, and we will be learning Docker as well as Docker Compose integrated with AI. So Docker has Gordon AI. We will be having that as well. CI/CD and DevSecOps is very important. We will be having Jenkins GitHub Actions as well as GitLab CI. So 3 most popular CI/CD tools will be covered in this particular course. We will be seeing AWS Cloud Fundamentals. What are the main AWS services, EC2, S3, Lambdas, all those services we will be covering. Then how to make those services provision using Terraform. So infrastructure as code using Terraform and configuration management using Ansible, both are covered. Once we do that, we will move into scaling, the real DevOps, Kubernetes and GitOps. The entire Kubernetes and GitOps is designed in such a way that you get the depths of Kubernetes as well as Argo CD and help. Once you complete Kubernetes, you go into monitoring phase. So the concepts of SRE, observability, OpenTelemetry, Prometheus, Grafana are also covered in this, along with real life projects. This era, this wave around us is of agentic AI. What are AI agents? What is LLM? What is RAG? What are vectors? All these are covered with LangChain and Amazon Bedrock Agent Core. So we are talking production AI agents here. Once you do all these, based on all the concepts, there will be a capstone project for you. If you want to get the full syllabus, you can just click on see the full syllabus, a particular page which you can get the full syllabus for free. So all the links are given in the description. Now I'll share you how to access this course. So all you need to do is go to TrainWithShubham.ai. You go to login. Once you go to login, you will find this platform. You'll go to your email, whatever registered email you have, and my password, which I have set up. Okay, done. As soon as I have logged in, you can see this is my account, my enrollments, favorites, help desk, sign out. This is your bar. Any notifications you will see here. Currently there are no notifications. Any upcoming live classes you can directly access from here. Just click on this and you will be redirected to your live class. So the next live class is scheduled on July 25th and so on. So similarly, all these live classes are scheduled. Let's say CI/CD pipelines, Docker, introduction to GitHub, GitHub Funnel. This will be happening on 15th August and so on. So all the live classes scheduled will be shown here. Then you can go to your courses. Let's say Python is also added as a bonus. So you can go to Python and you can directly access your course from here. If you want to get into the WhatsApp communities, the Discord server, all the links are given here. So join the private WhatsApp Discord community open. So you will see this. Welcome to DevOps Zero to Hero AI powered. Join these channels from the attachment. So these are the things that you have to do, and these are the attachments where you can get it. So the entire LMS is set for you. You don't have to go anywhere else in order to learn DevOps. You can also get a certificate. I'll show you how the certificate looks like. So if you go to this particular page, you can get these 2 enrollments for free. And if you move towards certifications, yes, finish and earn a credential to show it. So this is not like a paper certificate or something. You can actually verify this credential. So certdirectory.io has basically recognized TrainWithShubham as a platform that offers practical training in DevOps, cloud and AI. So this is what the credentials look like. So I hope you got all the information you need for this course. And if you want all the reviews from what our learner says, you can definitely read. And I'll be super excited to welcome you to DevOps Zero to Hero live. And I'll see you all in the live classes.